Welcome to Jenny's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Nsala. Nsala.
To prepare authentic Nsala soup, you need fresh catfish and goat meat. Thickening yam paste and Utazi follow, with aromatic Uziza seeds.
You must wash your catfish thoroughly. Do the same for the goat meat. Now place them in clean bowls and we are ready to cook. Now you don't want to over-process your peppers. We just want a coarse texture for this recipe. Just like that, it is ready for the pot. Welcome to Jenny's Kitchen. Our goat meat is boiling beautifully. This will be delicious. First, you peel the fresh yam, then wash the cubes thoroughly. Boil until it becomes soft. Now blend it until smooth. Look at that creamy, perfect paste. We gradually add the yam paste to the boiling stock. See how it transforms the soup into a creamy consistency. Perfect texture every time. Freshly sliced Utazi leaves are sprinkled. We gently stir them into the creamy surface. This gives it that wonderful and cozy aroma. Enjoy! Welcome, let's make Ofe Nsala. First, ladle it into a bowl. Serve it with pounded yam. Our Nsala soup is ready. Please like and subscribe.